Wall Street scores another record close as traders await more inflation insights. It's Friday the 29th of August and this is what you need to know. It's the last trading day of the month and markets are capping off a volatile week with another record high. The S&P 500 ended above 6,500 for the first time ever on Thursday, recording its 20th record close for the year. Attention now turns to the July PCE inflation data due out later today, the Fed's preferred measure. Expectations are for the core reading to rise 2.9% from a year ago. That would be the fastest pace in 5 months. The numbers may do little to dissuade policymakers and markets of an interest rate cut in September. Fed's Waller said on Thursday that he anticipates further interest rate cuts in the next 3 to 6 months. Let's look at oil, our chart of the day. Prices edged lower, heading for a monthly loss as geopolitics continues to dominate. Russian President Putin has a rare opportunity to meet with his key energy partners this weekend, India and China. Ensuring India is willing to maintain a healthy level of Russian crude imports will be high on Putin's agenda. President Trump is set to release a statement later today on Russia and Ukraine, leading traders to hedge for stricter penalties on Russian energy shipments. Our number of the day is $1.8 billion. That's the tariff impact that Caterpillar now expects, higher than its guidance earlier in August. Sweeping tariffs has raised expenses across Caterpillar supply chains, a devastating blow to the world's biggest maker of construction machinery. Shares dropped in extended trading, despite the fact that the revision isn't expected to affect the company's sales. A dated deluge in Japan overnight revealed that factory output slumped in July as US tariffs spiked. But inflation in Tokyo eased, marking the slowest pace of gains since March. The numbers reveal a complicated picture for the Bank of Japan's tightening cycle. Economists expect the Japanese central bank to hold at its next meeting in September, but see October as likely timing for an interest rate hike. And our stock of the day is Dell. The company raised its outlook for the full year as demand for AI rages on, but softer expectations for the current quarter weighed on the stock. Dell now expects $20 billion in fiscal 2026 revenue due to AI server shipments. That's up from its prior forecast of $15 billion. Investors have been concerned about the profitability of AI servers as they are dependent on expensive processors from NVIDIA. And that's what you need to know this morning.